Good afternoon. It's February 5th, 2022, and we're going to be working on draining the oil, the coolant, and marking everything that is hooked up so we know where it goes back to when we put the engine back in. But the goal is to be ready to pull the engine, if not have the engine pulled by the end of today. Got everything easily accessible up to this point, so this should go quick. But like and subscribe if you want to keep following along with this rebuild and see how it turns out in the end. Yeah, I think we're going to have fun as we continue along in this journey. Appreciate it.